Hi everyone. So in this video you will learn how to use Bootstrap in your web project. Currently I'm on getbootstrap.com, and once you're on this page, you simply need to click on this, read the docs. You will get this page. Just scroll down a bit, and the thing that you need is this section because it contains CSS file as well as JS file. Just click on this. Now go to code editor. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Simply create an index file here and just paste the code that we just copied. We also need a style sheet. So let's add a style sheet here, style.css. Now instead of showing a hello world, we'll show some components. Let's create a div element here. And let's have a class here, my container. Now let's create a style sheet here, style.css. Select the my container class. Display will be flex. Align items will be center. Gap will be 10 pixels. Margin top will be 10 pixels. And flex direction will be column. Now inside this div element, we'll use some Bootstrap components. Let's go to Bootstrap web page. Just scroll a bit and you will see component section here, this one. Now let's try this alerts. Simply copy this piece of code and paste it here. You can see it's basically a div element, but it's using Bootstrap classes alert and alert primary. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output, and that's the output. Let's try one more component. Let's go with button. Just copy this and paste it here. Go to browser and you can see we got a button here. Now let's try one more. I think they also got a spinner here. You can copy this and paste it here just before the button. You can see all these classes are Bootstrap classes, spinner, border here, btn, btn primary. Save it. Now let's go to browser. You can see now we got a spinner. In a similar way, you can try other components. You can see they have a lot of components here: pagination, tabs, model, list. Also there are some utility classes for creating a flexbox. The flexbox that I have created using a CSS, you can also create it using this class, tflex. I request you to have a look over this documentation to learn more about it. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.